So guys, in my previous lecture, I already told you the plot of this ballad is medieval time, medieval period. So during the time, the feudal lords, the nobles, they were addressed as Monsieur, Lord, Lady, His Highness, Your Highness, Her Highness, Duke, Duchess. So in this poem, we find Lord Ewing. He was a lord, or we can say a feudal lord. He used to hold a high rank politically and socially, and he was respected by his subjects, by the people of his region, of his territory, and regarded by his people. So he was quite boastful and quite rude and harsh person. So as consequence, his daughter, beautiful daughter, young daughter, here the poet has addressed the daughter as lady. Daughter was not at all satisfied with her father or her father's behavior and nature. That is why she was wanting to escape with her lover, the chieftain of Isle of Ulva. So the theme of the poem, that during that time, during medieval period, elopement, love, courtship, these aspects of the time, those were treated as disgrace and humiliation in the society. And those, that means the young couple or young lovers, those who dared to do it or practice it, they were killed brutally, either publicly or in prison. It was a common practice during the time, that means during the medieval period. So Thomas Campbell has taken the medieval plot. He has taken the real practice of the medieval time and presented through the lines of the ballad with an outstanding manner. The language is lucid, easy to understand, but a gorgeousness is noticed in the poem. He has presented the ballad in a gorgeous manner, easy to understand, but the diction is gorgeous. So in this regard, he is very much successful to present the ballad before the readers. He has used personification and imagery aspects. So in this regard, he is genius. Campbell is genius and a skilled poet of his time. So this is the ballad, outstanding ballad of Thomas Campbell, through which he has presented the characters of two lovers, young lovers, but the ballad is tragedy. It is a tragic ballad, or it ends with tragedy. He also has presented a character of a father. Simultaneously, he is a father, but he is a lord. He is a nobleman. But a nobleman, he is changed into a father, affectionate father, in the concluding part of the ballad. So guys, I hope you have understood my teaching, my lecture, what is the content, what is the theme of the poem. So on the basis of today's lecture, you take two extracts. Today I am going to give you extract. Question means not simple question answer. I am going to give you two extract. So guys, you note down the lines from the poem. I'll meet I''L'. I'll meet the raging of the skies. I'll meet the raging of the skies, but not an angry father within inverted comma. But not an angry father within inverted comma. You will find this line on page number 104. So, Roman number 1. From where these lines are taken. From where these lines are taken. Roman number 2. Who is referred as I here? Who is referred as I'', I'', I here. Roman number 3. Why the speaker does not want to face the angry father. Why the speaker does not want to face the angry father. Question 4. That means Roman number 4. Give the synonym of rage. Give the synonym of rage. Now question 2. And I'll forgive your Highland chief. On the same page, you will find the lines. And I'll forgive your Highland chief. My daughter, or dash, small dash. My daughter, oh my daughter. Roman number 1. Who is the speaker of the line? Who is the speaker of the lines? Two lines are there. Roman number 2. About what forgiveness the speaker refers here. About what forgiveness the speaker refers here. Roman number 3. Why the speaker repeats my daughter, oh my daughter. Why the speaker repeats my daughter, oh my daughter. And Roman number 4. Give the antonym of forgiveness. Give the antonym of forgiveness. So, students, these two questions, that means the extracts I have given you today. I am not going to give you other questions. You have to solve the extracts. And I hope you have understood the poem, because I have chosen one of the tough poems. I have liked this poem since the very beginning, from the very beginning. I like this poem. That is why I have selected this poem to teach you. Because, so that when the school will reopen, you will be quite acquainted with the content, with the summary, with the theme, central idea of the poem. It will be quite easier for you. And I don't want to repeat this, because already I have taught you. You have just now, I have finished the poem. You have understood. So, solve these extracts. Till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.